was nagwi-window shopping kami ng misis ko. Tapos alam ko may gusto siya. So may gusto ko talaga to. Wala akong pera. Sabi ko, sandali lang, CR lang ako. Umalis ako, umiyak ako. Sobrang simple nung hinihingi ng misis ko. Hindi ko mabigat. Both of us decided, if we feel like there are certain even things that are so basic, we can't afford, we have to do something about it. The resilience kasi happens during hard times. It doesn't happen in good times. When you live your life, it's either by design or by default. A lot of people live by default. Successful people live by design. And you know, sometimes even that yung parang, hindi ako may kita Change your language. It's not actually earning It's creating value.
Money Masters with Chinky Tan.
The views and opinions expressed by guests on Chink Positive are their own and do not necessarily represent those of the producers, hosts, or network. Chink Positive is for entertainment and informational purposes only, while guests may share insights on financial and business topics. This does not imply endorsement of any products or services. Viewers should perform with their own research.
I wake up, I solve a problem, I see a pain in the world, I try to solve it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tutuloy pa ba tayo sa 4 or ano? Or read my book na lang?
Oh.
Hanggang number 4. Hanggang number 4.
Sige, number 4 is the power.
Ano yung power?
Power, play to your strengths.
Ah.
Di ba? Dapat alam mo yung strength mo para hindi ka pumunta sa past na, like ako, gusto kong mag-artista. Nakita ko buhay mo. Ayoko na lang. Ayoko, gusto kong private life.
Oo. Grabe. Galing. So, starts with you, yung personhood, and then the purpose, bakit, diba?
Yeah.
And then number 3,
The pain.
yung pain, kung problem na gusto mo ma-solve,
Yeah.
and then the power,
The
kung
power.
saan ka ba talaga magaling.
Yes.
Galing. So, guys, abangan nyo yan, ha? Pero, siguro, ang next question, what does design your life look in a practical world? Na sobrang dami ng distraction, sobrang dami ng mga expectations, sobrang daming choices.
Right. Yeah. Kung meron akong isi-shortcut ko, bonus na to, wala to sa libro. DESIGN.
Design.
Design. DE is deliberate effort. Sa sobrang noisy ng mundo, I need to be very deliberate. Sinasadya ako. Ito gagawin ko. It's top of mind. Pagising ko, ito gagawin ko. Deliberate effort. Diba? Gusto ko magpapayat? Like gusto ko magpapayat kasi feeling ko, tumataba na naman ako. Nag-sign up ako ng 10-kilometer run for August. I have 2 months to go. So I'm starting to run again.
Deliberate.
Deliberate effort.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, 4 times a week kailangan ko tumakbo.
Okay.
Di ba? Kahit na ang sakit-sakit ng tuhod ko pag tumatakbo, 3K pa lang, gumigive up na katawan ko. But I have to do it. It's a deliberate effort.
E.
Deliberate effort, DE.
Oo.
SI is strategic implementation.
Ah.
So ngayon, pag-aaralan ko paano ko ito gagawin. Di ba yung mga life hacks? Aralin ko, strategic implementation. Paano ko to implement? Paano to mangyari? Lalagay ko to, yung sisay ko kanina, may rhythm ka. Ito lang, ganyan lang. Kasi
System. Parang system.
may system ka
Okay,
diba?
okay.
Winners will always have systems. Bilis mag-goal mag-goal ako, ganyan. Anong sistema mo para gawin? Bahala na pag feel ko, patay tayo.
GN.
Yeah. GN is generational navigation. Gusto mong mapasa to. Paano to mapapass on to the next? Because I've designed it. I've thought about it. Diba? And that's where succession planning happens. That's where values are transferred and imparted. Yan yung design.
Yeah.
No? So, you'll get that from the book.
Yeah. There you have it, guys. So, read the book. Grabe, ha? Sobrang powerful, no? Ano yung, yun nga, yung parang maraming tao kasing, taong successful. Gusto maging successful pala. Pero, instant success, pagod, di ba? At the same time, disappointed, frustrated, hindi pa tinatamaan ng gusto sa buhay. So, how can they pause and start designing the life that they actually want?
Yeah. Well, alam mo, nasa libro to, may tinatawag na deep think.
Okay.
Ano yung deep think? You really have to learn how to pause. Yung tanong mo, pause. Deep think, great leaders like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, all these guys have deep think. Mga na-interview kong mga successful people, high-level management, CEOs, they have time to think. Ibig sabihin, nakaupo lang talaga sila. Ano gagawin ko dito? Minsan, pe-pray sila. Kikinig lang talaga sila. Bakit? Alam mo, habang tumatanda tayo, di ba? Dati, kayang-kaya ko. Mag-sparring. Kaalam mo. Ngayon, mas tumanda ka na, nag-abot ka lang ng cellphone, sumasakit na yung ano mo, di ba? So ngayon, ganyan din ang deep think. Ang deep think, hindi ako suntok ng suntok. Pagod lang ako eh. 45 na ako eh. Kailangan pag sumuntok ako, tama suntok ko.
Yung parang calculated.
Calculated na ako. Para hindi sayang effort ko. Kasi pwede talaga ako ma-injure pag bali na naman yung pagkasuntok ko. Right? That's deep thinking. That's saying, Lord, what do you want me to do? Yeah. So I have those times of tinatawag kong solitude. Ganun lang talaga ako. Lord, ano mo sabihin sa akin?
Yeah. Alam mo, yung parang revelation sa akin habang sinasabi mo, yung talagang there are times talaga you need to really be still. Diba? Be still and know that God is God. And you have to really seek God.
Right. Yeah. And God kasi wants to communicate to us. Tayo lang minsan sobrang busy kaya hindi mo marinig boses ni Lord. Mamadali tayo.
Guilty. Alam mo, lahat ng pinag-uusapan natin, parang habang pinapakinggan nyo kami siguro, no? Ay! Parang bilis ah! Pero alam mo, it's easy probably to learn, but it's hard to apply.
Oh, yes.
That's the reality. Siguro, ano yung pinaka-challenging na part ng designing your own life?
Number one is the first step is really saying, gusto mo ba talaga i-design life mo? Kasi nga busy tayo. To slow down is so hard. I-try nyo, experiment kayo sa bahay. Upo lang kayo.
Walang gadgets.
Walang gadget. Lalo na walang gadget. Upo ka ganon. Mag-timer ka. 3 minutes na lang pag umpisa. Wala ka dapat iniisip. Sabi mo lang, kung kayo ni Lord nag-usap, Lord, kausapin mo ako. Tapos wala kang isipin. Challenge kita on the 30 seconds pa lang. Marami nang pumasok sa utak mo. Hindi mo kaya. Anong kakainin ko? Sino nga ulit tatawagan ko? Nabayar ako na ba yung meral ko? Kasi ganun nangyari sa akin. Na-alarm ako nun. Doon ako nag-turn around. Doon ko na-realize, sobrang pagod ng utak ko. Dami kong iniisip. Wala akong, I can't even buy a minute of silence because my mind was restless. How do I work meaningful work if my mind is restless? There's just too many things there. That's the first step. No? Na talagang, and of course, when you design your life, matagal yan. Ang tagal ko ginawa yung mission statement ko. Di ba? Mga 5 years bago ko masulat talaga word for word.
Hindi, minsan kasi, di ba, yung parang physically present ka, but mentally and emotionally absent ka.
Right. Yeah.
Oo, di ba? Kahit na harap ka ng pamilya, pero yun nga, you cannot be still and then be engaged talaga kasi may iniisip ka.
Right. You have to be fully engaged kasi yun sa ko, hindi deliberate effort yan.
Wow. So, aside from that, ano pa yung challenge na, aside from yun nga, yung giving full attention, ano pa?
Alam mo yung isa is the comparing. Kunyari, nakita kita, nag-live ka. Yun na rin akin. Di ba? Hindi naman ako si Chinkitan. Ako si Dennis C. Gusto ko maging Chinkitan. Di ba? So, I try to be somebody else.
Yeah.
Because you don't know your power.
Oh, no.
Di ba?
At saka hindi yung parang you're living the life that is not yours.
Right.
You're living the life of someone else.
Right. Yeah.
And then hindi ka design na...
Tama. Ako, confession, Chinky, ha? Gusto ko maging tulad mo dati. So, parang sarap ng buhay ni Chinky, ha? Parang, yun na yun. Di ba? Parang ganon. And then, I started seeing all your back end. It's like, nope, I don't think. Di ba? Yung parang akala mo kaya mong kopyahin. O gusto mo maging Manny Pacquiao, o nasubukan mo.
Ay, naku.
Di ba? It's not easy, right? So, sometimes we try to copy others. Meron naman talagang dinesign si Lord para
di
sa'yo.
ba para sa'yo eh. Kaya, alam mo, grabe to ha. Alam mo, this is really so powerful. This is really so powerful. Comparison is the thief of joy. Na may dinesign na para si Lord sa'yo, ito is para sa'yo. Pero ayaw mong gamitin yung nasa iyo. Gusto mong tignan at kunin yung nasa iba. Parang sa bata, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung bata, di ba, may laruan siya eh. Tuwan-tuwa siya sa laruan niya. May dumating na bata, nakatabi na may bagong laruan. Anong gagawin niya? Iiwan niya yung laruan. Kukunin niya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hindi. Grabe, galing talaga. Ito naman, let's talk about, syempre, okay, right now, I really need right now to live my life according to God's design. So, pero may mga internal battles eh. Di ba? Yung mga trauma,
Right.
self-defeating mindset, hindi ko kaya, 'di ba? Wala akong pera, wala ano. And not only that, meron ding external pressure.
Right.
External pressure, uy, kailangan mo maging doktor, kailangan mo maging ganito. So, paano? Dalawang ano yan, dalawang
Yeah.
internal na kalaban, may external pang expectation. Paano naman yun?
Yung nakatulong sa akin, Chinky, would be, number one, ito natutunan ko na lately, you just have to flip the script.
Paano?
Ganito sa utak mo, di ba? Di ko kaya yan, di ko kaya yan. Kasi ganito, flip mo yung script.
Kaya ko yan.
Oh, kaya ko yan.
Bakit?
In fact, nakapag-aral ako, pinag-aral ako ng mga magulang ko. Ang dami kong kaibigan tulad ni Chinkitan na pwede kong may access ako eh. Pwede ko i-flip eh. Di ba?
So you turn the negative script to a positive
Into a
script.
positive script.
And then you tell the reasons why.
Yeah, you change your story, you change your life eh. Di ba? Meron akong kaibigan, si Mel. Si Mel Oamil, sundalo dati, naging household boy sa Italy, is now one of our top designers in Paris. Sobrang simple buhay hanggang ngayon. You know, flip the script eh.
Anong
Sa
ginawa
kanya, so, marami silang negosyo ngayon eh. So ngayon nasa Nueva Ecija, nasa factory siya sa Cebu, may mga beads na, yung patapon na, sabi niya, sayang naman lahat tong beads na to. Kinuha niya ngayon tong beads, nag-design siya ng isang fashion accessory out of that. And out of that design na waste ng factory, became a $1 million business for them.
Wow.
That's now being sold in Paris and in Europe.
Wow.
You see, flip the script yan eh. Pwede mo sabihin, basura lang yan eh. Basura na ang buhay ko eh. Wala, hirap. Patapon na eh. Sa kanya, hindi. Yung patapon, pwede kong
Paano
pagandahin.
gagamitin yung basura into something that is
Yeah,
productive?
right. And that's the whole story of how God changed us. We were broken, we were sinners. Ano sabi ni Lord? Hindi, re-restore ko eh. Yeah, kaya sabi sa Bible, a broken spirit, a contrite heart, that's what I desire. Because beautiful creation would come out of brokenness. Eh.
Galing.
So even your internal battles, yan yung pain din na sinasabi ko, pain can be turned into a purpose. Eh.
Yeah.
Marami ring mga negosyo at saka mga NGO started with the pain.
Yeah.
Because of that pain, it became very purposeful that helped
Yeah.
millions of people.
Why do some people don't make their own decisions in life? Bakit?
A lot of reasons. Number one, major reason is so that they can blame somebody else.
Grabe.
Why choose that? Why live your life to please others? No? They are not requiring that from you. At the end of the day, ikaw ang accountable sa sarili mong buhay. Dumifault ka eh. It's time you design. It's time you say, okay, let me do something about this.
Negosyong pangmatagalan at kumikitang pangkabuhayan ba ang gusto mo? Mag-franchise na sa Rigasco.
Yung guys, ito lang. Again, I hope habang pinapanood nyo to, kung dumadaan ka sa matinding pagsubok, pasakit, challenge sa buhay, sometimes we tend to question God, Lord, why are you allowing these things to happen? You don't realize na God is going to use your pain also for your gain. God will turn your scars in life into stars. And then actually, if I look back right now, listening to you, it's really a powerful session. Yung pain ko dati, of trials, challenges, and hardship, wala akong pera. Right now, nagagamit ko eh. Gagamit ko in the sense na, yun nga, nangarap ako na maging milyonaryo and then I was able to achieve it. Right now, I've realized there are a lot of people just like me who were in the same situation. So right now, I'm using my pain to be able to help others.
Inspire so many people, yeah.
Grabe. Kaya nga, huwag niyong sasayangin yan, kapatid. So turn the script right now. Diba? Instead of looking at the problem, you focus on the solution. Instead of saying you can't, why don't you say you can? I can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So let's deal naman, Dennis, with the external naman. External pressure, yung expectation.
Yeah.
Paano natin ayusin yan?
Mahirap to. Pero, what's your alternative? So, will you live your life by the design of others? choice na yan eh. Choose your own adventure yan, di ba? Gusto mo makinig sa kanila? O, sinabi nila, ganito ka lang. O, makikinig ka sa kanila. Ano alternative mo? Pwede rin palang di makinig sa kanila, di ba? And change my life story. It doesn't have to be that way. Right? Marami nagsabi sa akin noon na, nako, mahirap yung papasokan mo. Isip-isip ka, career suicide yan.
Oh, yung parang pagiging
Yeah.
pastor. Oh.
But I live a fulfilled life now. Sobra kong saya. 5 anak ko, buhay kami. Nagka-pandemic, di ko alam kung magkakatrabaho ko, buhay na buhay pa kami. Di ba, in short, when you're in the center of God's will talaga,
Yeah.
no? Ano sabi sa Bible? Endure suffering with joy. Bakit? Suffering produces perseverance. Perseverance produces character. Character produces hope.
Yeah.
Paano ka raw magkakaroon ng hope sa buhay?
Oo.
Suffering.
Yeah.
Di ba? So, yung muscles mo talaga is because of suffering.
Yeah,
So,
another verse sa James, 'di ba? Consider it pure
joy.
joy
Yeah.
when you face trials of many kinds, because the testing of your faith develop perseverance, and perseverance must be
Right.
complete.
Yeah.
Wow.
You won't be here without the suffering. I see you. I saw all your climbing up.
Yeah.
Right? Bilang isang bata no, pinapanood ng kuya niya, di ba? Parang, wow, di ba? Parang inspiration talaga because that's what suffering produces.
Grabe talaga.
Maganda yung sabi ni, yung philosopher na si Regine,
Mm.
you make me stronger by breaking my heart.
Kanta yun eh.
Kanta yun. Kanta ni Regine Velasquez yun, di ba? You make me stronger by breaking my heart. And that's my story, di ba? Parang, yeah, Lord, you make me stronger by breaking my heart.
So, one more thing yung sinabi mo talaga, yung... Ito yung... Curious lang ako. Why do some people don't make their own decisions in life? Bakit?
A lot of reasons. Number one, major reason is so that they can blame somebody else.
Grabe.
Di ba? Ay, uso-uso. In our line of work, Pastor, anong dapat gawin ko? Sabihin mo na lang sa akin. Uy, ba't ko sabihin sa'yo? Ako pa may mali pagka sinabi ko sa'yo. You have to seek God. You have to do deliberate effort, strategic implementation. Pag-isipan mo mabuti yan. I can pray for you. I can give you guidelines in scripture, but I can never tell you what to do. Because
Yep.
I don't want you to blame me
Yeah.
when it doesn't go the way that you want it to be.
Guys, ito lang this is a powerful session. Probably nung bata ka, hindi mo pwedeng piliin kung ano susuotin mo. Di ba? Or if not naman, yung school na papasukan mo, wala kang choice. Course na iti-take mo. Huwag naman po sana, pati yung asawa na pinili mo, yung pinakasalan mo, sana hindi dahil sa sinabi ng ibang tao. Alam mo, totoo yan eh. The reason why most people are afraid to make the decision on their own, to decide their own life, is because once they made a mistake, they have no one to blame.
Right.
But once you make a decision right now, wala kang choice eh. You have to stand on your decision. You have to take full responsibility.
Yeah.
Grabe. Alam mo, hindi ko pa fully nababasa yung libro. Pero habang nag-uusap pa lang tayo, ano talaga I think this will help a lot of people. So, how do you personally define success right now compared to how you defined success before? Paano?
Yeah. Well, success before for us as a Chinese family was just, it's all about the money. Pera lang talaga lahat.
Totoo.
Kaya nga kami sumasamba eh. Lord, bigyan mo kami ng pera.
Hindi lang yun. Hindi ba naalala mo? I don't know, sa bahay nyo. Pag pumupunta kami sa mga, di ba, yung sa religious corner,
Yes.
3 yung
Diyos, ang daming Diyos-Diyosan doon. Lahat.
Oo, di ba? Nandun yung Nagtaka nga ako eh. Nung minsan nagtanong, siyempre bata pa ako. Sabi ko, Ma, ba't ang dami nating pinapaniwalaan? Alam mo, sagot sa akin, para pag hindi sumagot yung isa, may sasagot na tagarin.
Yan din sagot ng tatay ko. Sa second floor, iba eh. Sa ground floor, may iba.
Sabi ko, sigurista to mga to. So how do you define success now?
Well, success now for me, I think number one, it's understanding where God placed you. Like I chose a path. My path is not business. My path is in ministry. That won't give me a lot of money, you know? It's the path I have, But it's the past that's so fulfilling because I create value wherever I go. Kasi narinig ko naman si Lord nandyan ako Di ba? Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin, gusto ko maging chinkitan. Baka pwede ako mag-business tulad ng mga kapatid ko. Hindi, dito nagpro-provide si Lord sa amin. Kasi alam ko, ito na yun Ito yung past Kilala ko sino na ako ngayon. My identity is so intact. I know I'm a child of God. God would not leave me alone. He'll never, sabi niya, you will never see a child of God begging for bread.
Yeah.
Right? So, I just know that. So, I stick to my lane. Yan yung sinasabi ko dyan. Stick to your lane. Saan ka nilagay, stick in your lane.
So, ang sinasabi mo right now, you define success, number 1, by knowing your purpose in life. Who
Right.
you are.
Yes.
Okay, babalik naman tayo sa life by design.
Right.
Knowing who you are. Number 2, knowing why you're there.
Right. Yeah.
And then, yun nga, siguro, I think success is being the best at what you're called.
Right.
Di ba?
Right. Yeah.
Kasi ito yung na-realize ko sa buhay, which I made a mistake, Dennis. Ever since, di ba, nung bata tayo, mindset tayo, anak, lahat pwede kita, pasok! Di ba? So, ang nangyari sa akin, I was a jack of all trades, master of none.
Right.
Until such time, yun nga, without me knowing, habang kinikwento mo, I was living my life by design. I know my purpose, I know my why, I know my strength, and my focus was to become the best.
Right. Yeah.
And in the process of me becoming the best, especially in this chosen career, alam mo nangyari? Yun nga. I can name my price right now
Yeah.
sa lahat ng ginagawa.
Right. Yeah.
Grabe. So, ito naman, what would you give naman an advice na to someone who's really stuck, na talagang doing the things that they don't love just to please the people that surround them. So,
Yeah.
anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Well, number 1, why choose that? Why live your life to please others? No? They are not requiring that from you. At the end of the day, ikaw ang accountable sa sarili mong buhay. No? And yun nga sabi ko, you can't put the blame on others. At a certain point in your life, hindi ka na victim volunteer ka na. Yeah. Kasi yan yung victim story dahil sabi nila Kaya ito course ko, dahil sabi nila O nung nawala na sila, ganun ka pa rin. Kasi nga, hindi mo naman talaga gusto, hindi mo naman lane. Sabi nila wala na sila At a certain point, you volunteered already and said, this is my past. Right? That's why it's never too late.
Yeah.
Yun yung sabi ko, naka-default ka Dumifault ka It's time you design. It's time you say, okay, let me do something about this.
Breadwinner ka ba at laging kapos na lang ang iyong kita? Well, sagot na kita. I'm gonna have a free webinar that will teach you 2 things. Earn extra kahit busy ka, and to shift from kulang to laging may sobra. Gusto mo ba yun? So kung gusto mo, just type IGB right now and claim your seats right now, and absolutely for free. Pero limited lang siya. Bilisan mo na. Go to the comment section and click the link right now.
Right? And we have heard stories. Si Colonel Sanders, 70 plus, nag-KFC, di ba? So, it's never too late. There's always that, okay, ibahin na natin ngayon, no? And that's where I think your mga resources mo, there's a lot of information out there that can help you just shift the mind, no? Kasi ang skill set, mindset, ano yan combination yan no? So, hindi lang pwede magaling ka, dapat tama yung mindset mo Pwede kang maging magaling sa isang bagay na hindi naman pinapatawag sa'yo, gawin mo Di ba? Galing ka nga, pero, kaya mo hanggang 8 years old yung gagawin mo? Hindi po ako tatagal. Kaya papalit-palit mga trabaho. Kaya nga dapat the both are combined. The skill and the mind should be combined. No? So, that's something for you to deep think no after this interview no na sana mapag-isipan mo din kasi buhay mo yan. Yeah, that's your 8 to 10 hours every day, imagine mo.
So, paano mo naman mabibigyan? Siyempre, honestly, ito lang. Habang sinasabi mo yun, it's easier said than done. Kasi
Right.
ang daming risk di ba? Itong work ko. Actually, hindi ko talaga gusto to. Hindi ako designed to do this
Right.
Pero kailangan ko lang gawin to kasi nga kailangan ko kumita.
Yeah.
So, paano ako transition? How can you give me the courage and the strength to step out of my comfort zone or difficult situation right now in order for me to live my life according to God's design.
Right. I have my 5th P, which is preparation.
Ay, ayun na.
Yeah, sorry.
Papatapos na tayo.
Hindi, kasi
Oo.
you have to go through active preparation mode.
Oo.
Hindi ka pwede passive preparation eh. Bahala na, antayin ko na lang dumating. Baka dumating yung opportunity din, I'll go. Hindi, habang nagtatrabaho ka sa isang trabahong ayaw mo, nagpe-prepare ka din for this
Oo.
next path. Kaya mo naman eh.
Oo.
We have 24 hours a day, so 8 hours tulog ka. Huwag ka lang mag-scroll. Death scrolling, 2 to 3 hours din yun every day.
Actually, yun ang pinag-usapan din namin ni Bonnie de Jesus na may trabaho ka ngayon. Pero, syempre, yung work mo, hindi lang pwedeng work for kasi wala dead end yan
Right.
Limited So, dapat may dinidesign ka na second source of income mo.
Yes.
Pinaprepare mo na yung sarili mo. Until such time, na-out-earn na nito yung present. And then, yun nga, confident ka na,
Right.
pwede mo na siya i-transition. Yan ba yung sinasabi mo?
Yes. Di ba? Parang kaya naman eh. Kung gusto talaga, kaya mo naman gawin yan.
So, para ma-achieve natin yung design your life, what are the non-negotiables that should a person live on a day-to-day basis?
All right. This is very important. The answer is actually in your question. No? Sinulat ko rin yan sa book. Kailangan meron kang mga life principles na sa'yo lang. Rules that you live by.
Oh.
That requires you to stop to think para susulat ko eh. So, kunyari sa akin, non-negotiable sa akin, family. We will create memories. That's a non-negotiable. That's a C rule of life. Kung susulat ako ng libro ng rule of life, 15 rules of life para si Jordan Peterson 12, ako 15. Okay? Kung may 15 rules of life ako, that's one. Number 2, be a lifelong learner. That's a principle for me. So, non-negotiable. Kaya, I have 1,000 books at home. Na iba-iba, hindi lang lahat yung chingkitan na reseller. Okay, marami akong libro. I read 2 books a month.
Wow.
It's a principle I live by. Because I understand I'll talk to people. When I talk to people, I have to add value.
Yeah.
It's my job. So I'm a lifelong learner.
Grabe.
Ano yung mga non-negotiables mo? Yan, wake up every day and solve problems.
Yeah,
Ang mga,
grabe.
yan yung mga, pag may merch ako, yan yung mga nakasulat sa merch ko.
Nakakatuwa talaga, no? Minsan na kami mag-usap ni Dennis, pero this is really a very revealing session, no? Kung may life, non-negotiables, meron ako. Pero iba yung, approach ko. Ang approach ko naman, Dennis, is on the, things that I should not be doing. Like, for example, in terms of my relationship with my wife, ang non-negotiable ko, I should not look at another woman in my life except at my wife.
Yes.
So, yun yung parang
Wow, nice. Yeah.
Like, for example, sa business naman, I will never get into something that I need to collect money. Kailangan yung transaction ko lang dapat on
Ganda,
cash.
ganda.
Yun yung Kaya, ang galing. So, yun pala yun, guys. Alam mo, masterclass na nga natin to. Hindi, seryoso ako habang di ginagawa na. Sino sa inyo right now, who's watching right now, via Zoom or probably face-to-face, what if me and then si Coach Dennis will come together in a session and create a life by design or design by your life session. Okay? Siya sa ako na sa finances. Who among you will be interested to join? Type join na lang, join sa comment section para malaman natin. Kung marami, gagawin namin. Kung hindi, okay, manood na lang kayo. So, how are you helping right now? Siyempre, alam mo, ang ultimate sign of success is not only how successful you are, but how can you create success in the next generation? So, how are you helping your kids right now to grow, not just with ambition, but with, designing their own life also?
Very important yung tinatawag nating embodiment. Dapat nakikita nila kay daddy. Pwede ka mag-sermon, di ba? Tapos, di mo ginagawa. Di ba? The embodiment is very important. Yung may deliberate effort kami, mag-asawa, that we're building a family. Limited income tayo, 5 tayo, but we can live a very good life. Why? Your mom works, I work.
No, and tapos sila.
Yeah, you guys work.
Wow.
Diba? Oh, wala kaming instant.
Walang spare part.
At saka can I buy this toy? No.
You
How
find a
much?
way.
Okay, check mo muna how much. Okay, we'll go home. Let's do a plan. Strategic implementation.
Wow.
Ganyan, wala kami binibili talaga. Unless, kunyari, 50 pesos lang. Yung mga ganon. Pero yung mga
Thousands.
1,000 plus na, either si Ninong Randel yon or talaga magplaplano kami. Kaya mas matagal.
Yeah.
Oh, pero tuwan-tuwa mga anak ko kasi ang tagal eh.
At saka
Pag-
hindi.
Oo.
Ang sense of fulfillment niya pag nabili niya.
Oh, right. And pag nabili niya, 40 off na kasi sale na.
Oo.
Dahil matagal. Sabi ko, look, nakuha mo pa at lesser value.
Oo. At lesser price.
Oh, lesser price,
Oo.
di ba? But the same happy value that you have opening the box.
Grabe. Okay, we are going to Fast Talk, Boy Abunda style, with Dennis C. Okay, purpose or profit?
Profit with purpose.
Alin mo yun? Iba pag walang pera rin. Legacy or lifestyle?
Legacy.
Hustle or rest?
Rest.
Business or books?
For my lane, books.
Hindi, honestly, ako rin. Books din. Alam mo bakit? Pag natuto ako, magkaka-business ako. Okay, most life-changing book you've ever read?
The Bible.
Okay. Chinese tradition or still value?
Hard work.
Wow, galing. Love it. Most important habit in your day?
Flossing.
Para di bad breath. Pressure you finally let go of?
The pressure to perform for others.
Galing. Best life decision you've ever made?
To give my life to Christ and married my wife.
Wow. Nako, score yan. Score! Complete the sentence. Okay, designing your life means saying yes to
Who God designed you to be
And
and
no-
not what other people want you to be.
where can they get the copy of the book?
They can get a copy of my book sa Shopee. We have a Shopee store. You can just type there. It's gonna come out. Design Your Life by Dennis C.
Yeah.
Yan.
And then good news, guys. May good news ako. For those people who are going to order right now, we're going to put the link there, down there. Okay? Ipo-volunteer ko na. Baka pwede mo namang gumawa ng video na series na free.
Okay.
So, while they're reading the book, may guide sila.
Sure.
Pwede?
Pwede.
Oh, yan guys ha. Ayan na. So, you're not getting a book only. What you're getting is also personal guidance from Dennis.
So, Design Your Life, this is not just any motivational book. This is a thinking book. It will make you think. Mapapaisip ka. Ang goal ko, hindi ka patulugin. Na dapat pagising mo talaga parang, okay, kailangan ko I need to do something about this already.
Yeah.
Right? And so, this book, again, is available in Shopee. We'll try to put it in Lazada also and other shops, no? But as of now, it's in Shopee. So, please get your copy. Get your friend some of this copy also.
Sa akin ba yan?
Yes, sa'yo yan.
So guys, minsan lang ako hindi, honestly, I went through it a little bit already. And then based on the content, this is really worth investing. Kasi pagka natuto ka dito, maayos eh. Yung magkakaroon ka ng purpose, magkakaroon ka ng direction sa buhay. Diba? Alam mo, kahit na maging busy ka, pero kung hindi naman yan ang purpose and calling mo, nasayang lang yung oras mo, nasayang lang yung pagod mo. And I hope na you really find the life that you deserve to live because you designed your life. Maraming salamat. By the way, where can they get in touch with you ng mga SOCMED ba?
Oh, you can get in touch with me in Instagram, TikTok, meron din ako, Dennis CSC. Just go there, check it out. I'm also in Facebook and I'm in X Threads. Lahat ng SOCMED meron. Basta Dennis C, pag may singkit na gwapo, hindi si Chinky yon. Ako yon.
Naka-itim na glasses yan, ako nakaputi.
Itim to, itim.
Oo. So guys, there you have it. Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Dennis.
Chinky. Thank you.
Yeah, please, again, let's support Dennis in what he's doing. Again, I do believe that this is a life-changing moment for all of us. Thank you so much. And then, as I always say, by the way, again, kung nagustuhan nyo tong session na ito, mag-comment kayo and visit also his channel. Check it out also. Tatandaan, as I always say, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.
Mas magaling magnegosyo yung alam niya hawakan yung sweldo. You have to build your character.
Yeah.
Ito masabi ko, no? Napaka-importante sa business ng character. Napaka-importante yung trust. Trust ng customers mo, trust ng lenders, trust ng employees mo. It's all about character. Ang profitability ng kampanya. Yan ang nagdetermine ng sustainability. In other words, kung kinuha mo yung profit at inubos mo, hindi na sustainable yung business mo. A lot of businesses fold up pagka lumalaki na. Kasi yung klase ng management mo doon sa small business
Hindi.
is not applicable to something that is growing already. Sweldohan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi pag hindi mo ginawa yun, kuha ka lang ng kuha, you will lose your discipline in your household, you will lose your discipline in the company.